Seeing monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero, 'cause I got you.
Hello and welcome back to my channel Be Obsessed. I hope you all are doing great, and I'm trying to send you my positive vibes and love every day. So one thing, as I told you in my last video as well, that I think by the time the lockdown period is over, I would definitely acquire a skill of becoming a very good chef. So today I have thought that I would try to do something different, not the usual food that I cook always. Today I will be trying my hands on Litti Chokha and Bihari style chicken, which is, I believe it's a delicacy from Bihar, and it requires very minimal ingredients, which is easily available at your house, and nothing really fancy or something. So that's why I thought I would try and do this dish. So let me quickly show you what are the ingredients, and then I'll show you the procedures as well. Alright, so I've already made the ingredients ready. Let me tell you. This is chopped tomato. This is brinjal and potato. So this is boiled potato, and this is brinjal that is roasted. This is coriander leaves. This is some green chillies, some whole and some chopped. This is ginger. This is onion, and this is alright. So this is chickpeas. So I didn't had something that is used in the filling as sattu. So I have used chickpeas that was available in my house. So what I've done is I have dry roasted this chickpeas and soaked it overnight, and then I have pasted it. So that's how it has become like a powdered form. So this is the stuffing that we will be using inside the litti. And then I have some roasted tomatoes and garlic along with it. This will go in the chokha. So when we'll make the chokha, we'll use this roasted garlic and the tomato. And also we will be using some more raw garlic as well, because that is the taste and essence of chokha. So let's get cooking.
Seeing monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero, 'cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat.
Okay, so this is whole wheat and I've added some ajwain seeds to it, and then we will be adding a little bit of oil, and with warm water we will be making a dough out of it.
When you sound the alarms and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, I am coming, I'm fighting. Swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your army. Seeing monsters out your window, no you can't sleep, you pretend though, you don't have to play the hero. Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat.
Okay, so you can see that my littis are ready and they are inside the air fryer. I don't have like somewhere where I can roast it directly on fire, so that's why I'm putting it in the air fryer, but you can do it in micro oven, you can do it on raw flame as well. It tastes very nice on raw flame, but I don't have the facility to do that. That is the reason I'm using the air fryer. I have coated one layer of ghee on top of that, and I'll put it in the air fryer to cook for at least for 20 minutes. Then I'll take it out and turn it on the other side and put a little bit of ghee, and then again for another 20 minutes. And it could be more or less, I'm not sure, so I have to keep checking it after some time whether it's cooked or not. So it goes.
And the ground's filled up with landmines, we will face it, standing side by side. Seeing monsters out your window, no you can't sleep, you pretend though, you don't have to play the hero. Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat. Side by side. You know I'll come running when you need. I'm coming. You know I'll come running. If you go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you tell me Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarms and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, I'm coming, I'll fight it. Swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your army. Seeing monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero. 'Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat.
Let me, wow, do you see that, guys? It looks amazing and it smells amazing. The aroma is amazing. So it's time to eat right now. Alright, so the chicken is ready, the litti is ready, and also the chokha is ready. So I will be serving and showing you how to eat with the green chutney and some onions on the side. It is really yummy. And also don't forget the ghee. The ghee is very essential, so that will also go in. Okay, so first you break it, then add ghee, then you dip it in the chutney, the green chutney, then the chokha, and then you put it in your mouth.